Wow. Look at this belching top.
Yeah, I have already captured. Oh my god.
Look at all the soot on here.
It's on a 19 angle. Oh! What is this?
Come here. Salam, everyone. I want you to see the brickyard trees.
Yeah.
The branches are broken off so that the people can cook with.
Yeah.
They climb up there and they grab, and they have to break them sometimes with their hand. Most of the time with their hand because they don't have tools. They break off the branches, and here they are. Here are the branches. And so the brickyards are full of stubby trees. There's not adequate fuel. They make do with cow patties,
Yeah.
dried cow patties, and broken branches to cook the one meal a day. They have energy and time to cook.